I'm going to demonstrate a few basic core awareness exercises, primarily have to do with breathing and engaging or contracting the abdominal muscles. So you're going to start laying down on your back. Knees bent, feet resting comfortably on the floor. So you want your legs to be able to relax a little bit, but we want some movement in the hips or the ability to move in the hips. Your hands can be on your belly or by your sides, wherever they're comfortable. Start with basic breathing. You're going to take a breath in. As you inhale, you're going to feel your body rise and expand. And then as you exhale, I want you to contract your abdominals. Inhale and exhale. Now you can inhale and exhale out of your nose, or inhale in your nose, exhale your mouth. We'll do 5 breaths. And then relax and breathe normal. So you notice that your chest expands as you breathe, your belly will flatten and lift, and your hips will tuck and release. We're going to do it again. This time I want you to think of your lower ribs, and if it helps, you can put your hands there. But we're also going to think of the top of the hip bone, so these 4 corners, as well as the belly button in the center. I want you to imagine that those 4 corners pull inwards towards the center, and then the whole thing moves downwards. Ribs are usually the trickiest part because they stick up when you breathe in, and then we forget about them when we breathe out and contract. So again, if it helps, you can place your hands on the ribs. So we'll do 5 breaths here. Breathing in, exhale, contract. Inhale, relax. Exhale, contract. And then breathe normal. Now, I want you to breathe in and out as deeply as you can, but without feeling like it makes you lightheaded. So take your time. Mine may feel a little bit rushed for the purposes of the video and demonstration, but I want you to really pay attention to how it feels in your abdominal area. That is our main focus. The next set will again take 5 breaths, but this time you'll breathe in with 1 relaxed belly breath, and then exhale and contract, but we're gonna hold the contraction and continue to breathe 4 more breaths. So it will look like this. Inhale, exhale, contract, hold it and breathe. When you breathe in, you're gonna feel your breath push against the muscles that are tight. You might also feel expansion downwards or outwards as the breath tries to move in the body. After 5 breaths, relax. These can all be repeated as many times as you want. The next step would be to engage the legs. This adds weight. So we're increasing the resistance for the abdominal work. If 2 legs up in the air is too much, try 1 leg at a time and do 2 sets with 1 leg first for 1 set and then the other leg for the second set. So I'm going to demonstrate it right off the bat with 2 legs so you get a sense of what it looks like. The upper body does the same thing that we just did. So we're going to breathe in, exhale, contract, hold the contraction, hold the legs, and breathe 4 more times. You have to think about contracting the abdominals, pulling those lower ribs in, pressing the middle of the back downwards towards the floor. You might start to feel a little shake in there. And then relax. You can set the feet down, relax the contraction or your abdominal and back muscles, and breathe normally. So again, if you want to, you can do that with 1 foot in the air. Do one set on one side and then the other set on the other side.